What is up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. This is Mike, and you're watching Mike Mac Media. So today we're going to be doing a review on one of my favorite courses that I actually took. So now, not only is it a course, but it's also an affiliate program that you could actually sell the course. What I recommend how to get the most conversions, especially if you're starting out. Invest in yourself. They got a 15-day business plan, business challenge. Sorry, guys. 15-day business challenge. And what it's going to do, it's going to help you build a business. And after the 15 days, you're going to be able to understand how high-ticket offers actually work. With the value ladder, all of that stuff. Now, with Dave Sharp, let's go into the computer right here. This is the 15-day challenge. So now you're going to go through this. Now, you get a whole boatload of actual bonuses that come with this. So, not only do you get the 15 days with Dave Sharp as your trainer, his company was evaluated at I believe it was 200 million. And he set up like this course, and it's unbelievable. For less than a pizza, you get 15 days, and you also get all kinds of different bonuses within the program itself, all for that $7. I'll say it's $7. You invest $7, you go through the training, you learn what high-ticket affiliate marketing is, and then with your business plan advisor that you're given, that's included in that. I complete value. It's amazing. I've only been in for I would say a couple of months now, 2 to be exact, and I have a full-time job. My career for the past 20 years has been construction. I work for a private company. I'm very successful at my job, but I started to look into my future. I wanted to do something that I could do online as a side hustle. And let me tell you, it's been one of the greatest things that I've ever done, ever pulled the trigger on. And I'm so glad for Dave Sharp and his team and my business plan advisor. He's awesome. And I don't know. I'm speechless on how much value this course actually gave me. So, jumping back into the computer, let's do it right now. You're going to get the 15 days, like I said before. On the second day, you're going to be able to schedule a call with your business plan advisor that you see right here. And that's going to be attached to you for the duration that you're with Legendary Marketer. Now, some of the bonuses that help me is when you purchase the $7 program, the 15-day Business Builder Challenge, you're going to get access to Legendary Marketer's Facebook group, private Facebook group. You'll get an invite right away. And inside of there, they do daily, Monday through Friday, 10 o'clock a.m. Eastern Time. They go live every single day, Monday through Friday. Regardless of what's going on inside the world, they manage to do that every single day for us and just help with value. They'll do, interviews with other people that are having success with the program. They'll drop off some training nuggets for everybody that's within the program. You're going to learn so much, especially if you're starting out. If you're watching this review right now, I'm telling you, the link is down below. MikeMacMedia.com. You'll find the video there. Meet Dave Sharp. He's a fantastic guy. Just keep following, and you'll watch the video absolutely free. Also, if you use that link, you're going to be invited to my private Facebook group, which is absolutely free for life, and I will help you answer any other questions. If you're on the fence or whatever it is, just join the group and reach out to me with any questions that you might have. I'll be more than happy to help you, direct you, explain a little bit more, or leave comments below. If you haven't already, smash that like button, and then crush that subscribe button. It's going to help the channel grow. Again, thank you for watching and subscribing and all of that good stuff. Anyway, getting back to it, let's go back into the computer. So, after the 15 days, you could become an affiliate right here. Talk to your business plan advisor. This is my advisor right here. These are the other products that you could do. I bought the business plan, the business blueprints, sorry. And there's hours and hours and hours of training in here with also more. I mean, the amount of value that's in each one of his courses. There's tons of courses by Dave Sharp, and I've purchased almost every single one of them. And I've only been doing it a little less than 2 months. So I suggest just check it out, especially if you're on the fence or you're looking at reviews and you came to my channel. Subscribe, join my free Facebook group, free of charge, whatever you guys want. Leave a comment below. Let me know what the next video should be. Do you want me to get in more detail, or do you want me to actually provide you guys with a little mini course, which is I'll show you how to get your links, where to put them, and how to start driving free traffic to your actual online business. Now, again, this is not get rich overnight. If you're looking to make $1 million by next week, I suggest you keep going, because this is not for you. This is for people that actually want to change their life and learn a different skill. Everything that you do in life, especially if you're out of college or you have a family, whatever the case is, you have to spend a little bit of time and effort on learning a new craft. That's what the private face group is for people that are just starting out. Now, with my construction background, I had zero tech skills. So that's why I wanted to open up that free group for everybody that's interested in affiliate marketing and just help you guys get set up. If you want to do a YouTube channel, you want to do it through TikTok, which I'll go over in another video coming up. So be sure to smash that subscribe button and maybe hit the bell notification. I'm going to try to get as many videos during the week done and just keep pumping them out for you. But you gotta start. You gotta start, and you gotta start somewhere. And after spending a couple of $1,000s on different programs and stuff, and then just banging my head against the wall, couldn't figure it out. The support was terrible. When I came to Legendary Marketer, I was just blown away. Support is amazing. Not only is the training amazing, the amount that you could actually make promoting Legendary Marketer, which they train you how to. So that's why I say, if you're going to become a great affiliate marketer, invest in what you're going to sell, because it's going to show that much better. Like if I was trying to tell you, oh, buy this kind of pickup truck, but all I drove is cars, I'm not going to be able to explain it that well, how well that truck is, unless I'm like reading off reviews, but that translates. Also, within the training, they want you to do great, because that's what it's designed for. If you become a great marketer and you're able to start making sales and stuff, that's better for them, better for you. Everybody wins. So, anyway, oh my God, I had a brain fart. Anyway, thank you for staying all the way to the end of this video. Again, if you have any questions, leave them below. If not, go into the private Facebook group. Again, click the link down below in the description, which is going to be MikeMacMedia.com. Go through everything. When you put your email in, I'm going to send you the invite right through there. So, again, thank you, and I'll see you on the next video.